Yeah, so I'm here at the car show in Belmont. I'm going to take a look at a couple of these cars. I'm going to make a couple of short videos. I decided to enter my car right here, like I was showing everybody. I could have bought the Jeep 2014, but there's only just one of me. So, yeah, right now it looks like I'm the only person here with a new 392 300. So that makes me kind of feel special. Got Bentley here. That one's yours? Supercharger, anything? Yet? Nah, as bad as it is, this shit is hot. I think I've seen you a couple times. You live near Jamaica, right?
Yeah, you probably see me and him all the time.
I see him. This one I know. Yeah. Oh shit, he got color change lights. That shit is hot. Oh. Okay.
Heaven's right there.
Okay, that's mine. Look, so we got the SRT has a nice show. We got, what is this, the neon Viper wheels. See, I want to get these wheels. But wait, this looks like, I think this guy took a regular model, and I think he hooked it up because those don't look like Brembos. But I like these Viper wheels. I seen these on eBay. Nice. I'm the only, this looks like a Pursuit Charger. Yeah, this is a Charger Police. 33,000, so this doesn't have shit in it. But there's a Pursuit Charger. I'm gonna look at some of these Mustangs. But yeah, a nice show with the SRT8, but so far, the team move over. They got a nice show here. I love these neons, man. I can't wait till they make that Dart. When they make that Dart SRT, I might consider getting one of those and tuning that son of a bitch up. Yeah. See what else they got. Mr. Bentley.
The drink was messed up. That's what it was.
Hemis. Yeah, regular Hemis. What else they got? I'm gonna try to make this quick because I hate having to upload these videos to YouTube. And I only got like a 20-minute buffer. Okay. Z28. I left my car all open and everything. Hopefully nobody tried to get up in my shit. Got a Mustang here. Take a quick walk around. This guy got an SS. Yeah. You know, I got here a little too late to enter any of my cars into the car show. But the next time I'm gonna come and I'm definitely gonna enter my car. What I'll probably do is I'll wait until after I put the 440 stroker in and the Mangusta supercharger. And then I'll bring probably the Jeep and I'll have somebody else bring my SRT 300. Got a lot of shit out here, boy. Yes, I'm just giving y'all like just a look. Well, oh, HP. Oh, this is a Hennessy fucking. This guy's got a Hennessy out here. Oh, wow, Hennessy. It's cognac with the Magna supercharger. Oh fuck, that's nice, nice. SS boys. Whose fucking monster is this? Oh, but see, this guy doesn't clean his car. See, I got my car all clean and everything. I keep my car clean. I didn't even have to clean it. Keep my car nice and neat. That's yours? I'm the only person here who's got the brand new 300 over there. I'm gonna put a 440 in mine. I'll see you then. Yeah. But is that Hennessy custom made that, right?
Yeah.
Nice, very nice. I like that. Beautiful.
Yeah, so we could put you home in this car today?
I have a black 300. It's parked over there. I have the 392 in it right now. I just bought the Jeep 2014.
Wow.
And
How's it run? Nice?
oh, the Jeep? That thing's a monster.
Yeah.
That thing's a monster.
Get it tuned?
Not yet. Haven't done anything. My car only got like 1,000 miles. I bought it like 3 weeks ago. Nothing yet.
Nothing yet?
I'm gonna wait till winter when I can do without it, and send it to the shop. You know.
That's the time to do it.
Yeah, but that hit us. How fast is that? How fast is your 0 to 60 on that?
Oh, it's pretty quick.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty quick. Yeah.
3.5. He's got a Hennessy blower in there.
Yeah, I saw the Magna. I saw that.
It's between 4 and 3.5.
That thing is hot.
0 to 60.
That's hot.
Oh, she's quick. She's quick.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And believe it or not, this 55 beats him.
55 what?
It's 55.
This 55 comes out of the hole and beats him.
Wow. Can you beat a Nissan GTR? You can? Yeah, you gotta make some race videos. Put those on YouTube.
Oh, yeah,
I'm on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. I put just about everything I can on there. I was driving a Nissan GTR the other day, and I put everything I can on there.
Where you race at?
No, the street.
Did I say where at?
Southern State Parkway, Pine Lawn, the cemetery.
Oh, you're way out.
Yeah, we don't do anything really organized. Do we even have a drag strip around here?
No more.
No more drag strip. They need a drag strip.
Closest one is English Town.
Yeah, I can't. I'm not driving all the way over there. I'd be out of gas by the time I get there.
That's a hike. Screw that.
Yeah, I love that car though.
Street race on once in a while is good enough. You didn't change the tires or anything yet, right?
My car has 3-season summer tires, and I was gonna upgrade to Eagle GTs all seasons and keep the summer tires in like a garage or something. But what I really want to do is off of eBay. I want to get the rims from my old 300, the blacked out 10-spoke wheels, because these new wheels, they don't look as big as they really are. They're 20s, but they don't.
Yeah, but they don't look. Yeah.
They don't look 20. Yeah. Like you've got 20s. But and those are nice wheels.
The car is low.
Yeah.
I dropped that car's three in the back, 2 in the front.
Nice.
Yeah.
I might want to get wider tires too for the back, because my car breaks loose it already breaks. Yeah. I'm gonna just take a quick look around. If you want to see my car, it's over there. It's next to Team Move Over. It's black on black. You can't miss it. I'm the only 300 2013 over there. All right. Okay. We got a Magnum here. See, this is America. This right here. This is what America really is. This what Sarah Palin says. This right here is America. Nice. Oh. This right here is America. You got black people, white people, Hispanic people, Asian people, everybody come together to show off their illegal street racing supercars. That's what America is. That's what America is. Lambo doors on the Camaro. Okay. I'm sorry, me personally, I can't put Lambo doors on anything but a Lambo. I just couldn't do it. It just does. To me, it's just not right. I only do it OEM, everything OEM. Oh, that black. It kind of looks like that guy I know. That might not be him though. Okay, so we got a Camaro 300. I really miss my fucking SRT8 wheels. I really do. I love those wheels.
Yeah, I'm right there, Garden City Hempstead. Okay. Tuesday night.
I know this guy. This is not James Mo's car, but I know this guy. The SRT8 badge right there is nice. I don't know if he's got any mods. Oh, blacked out. I really love these wheels. God damn, I love these wheels. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So I guess people over there going all over my car right now. Hopefully they protect my shit. Don't let nobody mess it up. I wonder if Ryan's here with his Jeep. He might be. cut this video off in about 10 minutes. Oh, these must be the, oh yeah, these are the guys selling parts. I guess all the entries are just over here. I'm about to cut this video, see if I see anything else special. Maybe this right here, this is America. This right here. Man, when I put that 440 in my car, I'm gonna go to every car show over here and I'm gonna take home trophies. That's what I'm gonna do. Every single one.
But that's where the fire went from the fire.
Mustang, that shit is no joke. Ooh, Viper GTS. This. Oh shit. Oh, this is an older one. In fact, I saw one of these on the road while I was coming here. Oh, he's got his amplifiers up top.
What was the point of that?
Ooh. Snooky Thompson up in there. Nucky. Okay, this. See, my only problem with having sound mods is that when I'm in Manhattan, the cops give you tickets for having sound mods, and it's bad enough that my windows are tinted. I don't need the goddamn pigs giving me tickets just because I'm disturbing the peace of some fucking liberal who's riding around on a bicycle and loves, you know, electric vehicles. I can't deal with that shit. You know, I know a lot of people say, oh yeah, well, just drive something else, but I like driving my 300. You know, these sound mods are cool, but it's fucking cops. It's like they'll give you a ticket for anything. You know? Tickets for anything around here. Yeah. Old school caddy. I brought a I don't know. That's before my time, but that's nice. That's nice. That's yours?
Yeah, this is mine.
420, you know.
Yeah, it's a Cobra Jet.
I'm like the only person here. I brought a 392 Chrysler 300, the brand new one. Yeah, it's over there in front of the Chargers.
Yep.
Yeah, they were looking at it. I left the windows and the trunk and all that open.
Okay.
No, I know. They'll watch it.
Fine.
Yeah, I know like two of those
guys.
guys.
Watch each other around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy got all the trophies. This guy got all the trophies. Damn. This guy got all the trophies. Oh, goodness. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Oh, uh-oh, Mangussin. Oh, this is a Hennessy right here. That looked like a Mangussin supercharger. I don't think it is. Wow. This guy's got all the trophies. Yeah, see, the car show scene is awesome. Original owner. That one's yours? Nice. Nice color. Oh, Shelby. I don't think I've seen one of those GTK Shelbys. Cause Mustang had one. Oh, this is a GT 500 KR. Yeah. Yeah, those. I always liked the way the skirts looked on those. Those were nice. But I need a 4-door. I'm not into the 2 doors. A lot of Challengers here. A lot of Challengers here. These are some beautiful cars, man. Uh-oh. SRT8 Challenger. I think this is a 392. Yeah. And it's amazing that as powerful as these engines are in these cars, these 392s, they're a very quiet car. Very quiet. We got these. You know, we got people racing. It's like going to a museum.
Yeah, that was me.
GTI. Oh, the old school GTI. Somebody put a G35 in here? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Jesus fucking Christ. This guy's got that shit light up. That shit lights up on it. Uh-oh.
It looked like a tornado.
Ew. Holy goddamn. Please look, but don't touch. Don't worry. Look at this fucking shit. I don't want to see this guy on the road. Jesus. That shit right there, that's a nice interior. I like carbon wings. Holy shit, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, so it's Corvettes. This is Corvette time right here. Corvette. No Lamborghinis around here. This is New York City. No Lamborghinis, no Bugatti Veyrons. No women, no ice cream. There's some hard cars here, boy. They're still over there. I can see them from here. Look at them, my God. Ooh, this thing is hard. Look at that. This right here is America. Yeah, these guys are like lined up around my shit. Huh. An old school 300. You don't see those. See, that's one of the things with the old 300. I had to get rid of that car. I mean, I loved that car. I really loved that car, but I just had to upgrade. And when I pull that Jeep out, bring that Jeep here, I need a trophy. I'm gonna take home something. This is cool. A $9 admission fee. I got one more Mustang. Nice. I got some. This is nice. Oh, a Welsh. Wow. We got more people up here racing. I didn't see any BRZs here. This looks like that new WRX, but I know it's not. This is something else. Oh, no, this is... Oh shit, this is a Kia? Kia high-tech racing. Put a turbo on a Kia. Well, I think this is I forget what this model is. That shit is nice though. Hyundai Elantra. Somebody put a Hyundai Elantra in the race. And the judge. Nice, very nice. You gotta have some serious balls to do that shit. Yo, these dudes are over there still looking at my car. Oh. This is a Chevy Nova. GT, Pontiac GT. We got a Bremen Sebring 1981. Wow. Who made this car?
Another guy with Bremen Motors in Indiana.
Oh, and they don't exist anymore.
No. We about Fluff will be on hold.
Wow. Wow, this is nice. This is cool. It's kind of like an airplane. 14,500 for sale. Wow. This is that car on that porno movie. I know it from the front. I forget what this is. Chevy. This is Impala. This shit is fucking tight. It's all yellow. From Bang Brothers. That porno. Water, gas, oil. Holy shit. Air to ride suspension.
I got my 69 years Buick, and it's like what?